Good Sunday afternoon. It's about 10 after 4. It's another chilly Sunday afternoon. Another windy one too. Yep. That's how it is now, After a while of warm weather, it's going to be cool for a while. Yep. Happy birthday to Yasmani Grandal and to Darwin Barney and to Nick Punto and to John Carlos Stanton. So yeah, last time I checked, the Raiders were beating the Chargers. And yeah, the Chargers used to play in San Diego and the Raiders used to play in Oakland. Yeah, a lot of teams relocate sometimes in sports. Just like what the Lakers and Dodgers did back in the day. The Lakers used to play in Minneapolis, the Dodgers used to play in Brooklyn. And of course the Angels used to be in LA. The Lakers moved to LA back in 1960. The Dodgers moved to LA from Brooklyn in 58. And of course the Angels moved down to Anaheim in 66. And the Dodgers have played at Dodger Stadium since 62. And since 2000 or 99, the Lakers were at Staples Center. They played at the Forum from 67 to 99. Well, it is kind of weird how teams change venues sometimes. And with this cold, windy weather, after weeks of using air conditioning, it's time to start doing heating now. All that wind. And yeah, it's going to get dark in less than an hour as well. So meanwhile, have a good rest of your afternoon and evening. And I'll talk to you later. Stay safe. Peace out.